a step-by-step guide on how you can get your W-2 from Paycom. You want to log into the Paycom website. This is going to be the website. You will enter your username and password. If you don't remember your login information, you can click on Forgot Password to reset it. Afterwards, you will go to the main menu. Once you're in, you want to tap on the menu icon, top left on mobile, or look for the sidebar if you're on desktop. Next, you will click on Payroll, select Payroll from the menu, and you will choose year-end tax forms. Under Payroll, you want to hit year-end tax forms. That's where your W-2 lives. Select the tax year. You want to pick the year you need, like 2024 for filing in 2025. Download your W-2. You will hit on View or Download. You can save it as PDF or print it if needed. And your W-2 will now be ready to use for taxes. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.